simple interest. Simple interest is a straightforward way to calculate the interest earned or paid on a loan or investment. It is based only on the original principal amount, the annual interest rate, and the time period without compounding. Simple interest have three formula, which is S equal P plus I, and I equal PRT, and S equal P in bracket 1 plus RT close bracket. And principal in RM, simple interest in RM2, rate of interest in percent, and T is time.
For case study question number 1, Uyaina deposit RMZ in account that offers 6.25% simple interest rate. The interest earned at the end of 9 years was RM6750. For Romans number 1, state the value of I, R, and T. For Romans number 2, find the amount of Z. For Romans number 3, find the total amount she must pay at the end of 9 years. For question B, Kamaru borrow RM54000 from a bank that charge R percent simple interest. The accumulate value at the end of 12 years, 3 months was RM80460. Find the value of R. 0. For Romans number 1, state the value of I, R, and T. I equals to RM6750 and T equals to RMZ, and R equals to 0.0625 and T equals to 9 years. For Romans number 2, find the amount of Z. We can use formula I equals to PRT. 6750 equals to Z, open bracket, 0.0625, close bracket, open bracket, 9, close bracket. 6750 equals to 0.5625 equals to Z. 6750 divides 0.5625 equal to Z. So the answer for Z is RM12000. For Romans number 3, find the total amount she must pay at the end of 9 years. We can use formula S equals to P plus 1. 12000 plus 6750 equals to RM18750. For question B, Kamaru borrow RM54000 from a bank that charge R percent simple interest. The accumulate value at the end of 12 years, 3 months was RM80460. Find the value of R. We can use formula S equals to P, open bracket, 1 plus RT, close bracket. So RM80460 equals to RM54000, open bracket, 1 plus R, open bracket, 12 divides 3 divides 12, close bracket. So 80460 equals to 54000, open bracket, 1 plus R, open bracket, 12.25, close bracket. Then 80460 divides by 54000 equals to I plus R, open bracket, 2.25, close bracket. So 1.49 equals to 1 plus R, open bracket, 12.25, close bracket. So 1.49 minus 1 equals to 12.25 R. And then we got 0.49 minus 12.25 R. Then 0.49 divides by 12.25 equals to R. So the answer is 0.04. So it will be 0.04 multiply 100 equals to R. So R equals to 4%.
Trade discount. Trade discount is a reduction in the list price of a product or service offered by a seller to buyer, typically in context of wholesale or bulk purchases. It's a way for seller to incentive customers, often retailers or distributors, to buy in large quantity or to maintain a business relationship.
Formula trade discount amount. D equals to list price multiply trade discount. D equals to L multiply D. Formula net price. NP equals to list price minus trade discount amount. NP equals to L minus open bracket L multiply D close bracket. NP equals to L open bracket 1 minus D close bracket.
WKC Mines and Syndrome Berhad bought the following item from Louis Vuitton Malaysia, which offer trade discount of 5% and 2% on its designer handbag. So from this question, we understand that they offer two discounts, which is discount number 1 is 5% and discount number 2 is 2%. And the item they offer is PD Bundle 30, which is their list price is RM 8,475, and Neverfall Demir Eben, which is the list price is RM 8,025. For our question number 1, which is find the net price for each item. Based on this question, we understand that we need to find net price, which is for Speedy Bundle 30 and also net price for Neverfull MM. Okay, and now let's find net price for Speedy Bundle 30. For the list price is RM 8,475 ringgit, and you need multiply in bracket, which is in the bracket is 1 minus 0.05. Okay, now the question is, where did I get 0.05? Okay, from the previous in question, 5%, you need to divide by 100. So you will get 0.05. Okay, and for the other bracket is 1 minus 0.02, which is the same. 2%, you need to divide 100. So you will get 0.02. After I simplify them, I will multiply both bracket, which is 0.95. I will multiply 0.98, which is it will be 0.931. And the next step is 8,475. You need to multiply the 0.931. So you will get the net price, which is RM 7,890 ringgit. So that is our net price for Speedy Bundle for our question. Now let's find net price for Neverfull MM Demir Eben. So for the list price for Neverfull MM Demir Eben, which is 8,025, and in bracket 1 minus 0.05, which is that is our first discount, 5%. Okay, so it will be 0.05, and still the same for our discount tool, it will be 1 minus 0.02. Okay, so I simplify both of them and multiply them, and it will be 0.931. I need to multiply the 0.931 with the list price, which is 8,025, and you will get 7,471 ringgit. So that is our net price for Neverfull MM Demir Eben.
This is solution for case study 2, question B. Find the amount of discount for each item. Speedy Bundler 30 equals to LP minus NP equals to RM 8,475 minus RM 7,890 22 cents equals to RM 584 ringgit 78 cents. Neverfull MM Demir Eben equals to LP minus NP equals to RM 8,025 ringgit minus RM 7,471 ringgit 27 cents equals to RM 552 ringgit 73 cents. This is solution for C. Find the total payment if WKC Mason SD and BHD bought 3 Speedy Bundler 30 and 5 Neverfull MM Demir Eben. Total net price for Speedy Bundler 30 is 7,890 ringgit 22 cents. Open bracket 3, close the bracket. Equals to 23,670 ringgit 66 cents. And the total net price for Neverfull MM Demir Eben is 7,471 ringgit 27 cents. Open the bracket 5 and close the bracket. Equals to RM 37,356 ringgit 35 cents. And the total payment is RM 23,670 ringgit 66 cents. Plus RM 33,356 ringgit 35 cents. Equals to RM 61,027 ringgit 1 cents.